and point to the east, and point to the west, and point to the west that you like it. Okay. Ay. Ayan po, ganyan po kakulit sa amin sa Kinder Peace. Ayan, ito po ang pinakamabait sa kanila. What's your name?
Anthony.
My name is?
Anthony.
Okay, very good. How about you? What's your name?
David.
David, how about you?
Reynard.
Okay, you?
Jamaica.
Nice. How about that little girl? What's your
Ayana.
name? Ayana. How about you?
My name is Juliana.
Okay, how about you? What's your name? Juliana. Sino pa? Your name? Kurt. How about you? What's your name? JR. And how about you? Shane. Okay. Iya. How are you? How are you? Okay, what's your name? Your name.
Iya.
Okay. She's Iya. And this one is Leonard. And these are the Kinder Peace. Di ba napaka-peaceful? Ayan, si Ate Grace. There. Ganito po sa amin sa Kinder Peace. Napaka-peaceful. Yan, no? Kitang-kita nyo naman. Nagkakasakitan po sila. Disastrous. Ayan, may kanya-kanya po silang mga buhay.